Dwayne, you finished with a bit of a flourish there. What were your thoughts on the performance?
Yeah, disappointed with the first half. I think we gave them too many soft points really, through errors and piggybacking discipline errors, and I think that 26 points was a difficult one. I think that physically they dominated the middle of the field. They bashed us in the middle of the field and we couldn't get really speed of ball, which that hurt us ultimately. I think when we did get speed of ball, we did get a few edges. I thought like so Joe Roberts looked threatening tonight. I thought Tommy Lewis coming on as well was excellent when he came on as well. So look, I think ultimately we piggybacked them up the field, and I think that that's the disappointing part for me, and I think that we got to get better than that really in that area.
Well, you've got time now. How much have you been looking forward to this break?
Well, I think it's been a long couple of weeks, if I'm perfectly honest, and I think everyone needs a bit of a breather now to have a look at areas we got to improve. And I think that I think it's been 12, 13 weeks now of solid games, and I think we need to reflect and work. I spend time in the training field, and I think we need to get a few bodies back and make sure that we're ready for Munster, because that's going to be a huge game for us. Hynod o siomedig ar hanner cynta, achos o'n i wedi rhoi lan cymaint o pwyntiau, 26 pwynt yn y hanner cynta. Dim digon da rili o ochr ni, a rhoi'r pwyntiau yn rhoi lan o ardal o eitha soft, felly siomedig yn amlwg, ond lot o ni weithio arno, a mae digon amser yn ni nawr sydd nos nesaf. Mae eisiau ni boes i cael bach o seibiant i ni siŵr bod i cael y cyrff y meddyliau'n iawn, ond mae rhaid lot o waith cael i'r ymlaen ni. Mae'r toriad nawr yn y gyngrair yn y tymor yn mynd i fod yn bwysig i ni, achos mae rhaid ni gynta trial mynd bant o rygbi am cwpl o ddiwrnodau, a trio cael y meddwl yn iawn a wneud siŵr bod y gwneud ni i symud ymlaen nawr at gweddill y tymor, achos dim ond hanner ffordd trwy'r tymor a mae lot o waith cael yn wneud.